Well, today's video is going to be a little different, where I'm just going to talk to you. We're not building a project, but I had a subject that I think we need to discuss. So stick around and see what that is. All right, we're staring at the back of the dollhouse for a couple of reasons. One being, this is a position I have sat in way too much in the last week. If you watched my Sunday video where we did this this kitchen sink kit there that's in that cabinet, that wasn't the video that I had scheduled for this last Sunday. In fact, that was supposed to, according to the schedule I had made out and written out a couple of months ago, that was coming in a couple of weeks. What I had planned to do on this last Sunday was start attaching the kitchen cabinets, particularly the ones that are going to be here running this direction front to back in the dollhouse, that will eventually then have an eating bar over here. It's going to have an extended counter, and it's going to have a place to put little bar stools, so that the dollhouse has a place, the doll family would have a place to eat. But the more I stared at this, the more I couldn't make a decision about how I want to lay this kitchen out. And so I sat down and started thinking about, why am I so indecisive? Why can't I come up with a plan? I had it all planned out on paper where I was going to put things, and then I started making cabinets, and I changed my plan. But when it came, and I thought I was happy with it, but when it came down to time to execute that plan, I was anything but positive. So I decided, rather than gluing cabinets together and putting it back on and hating it, I need to just step away for a couple of days. And I've come to a conclusion. I got to looking at my videos that I've got up. As of this point when I'm filming this, we have, I believe, over 30 videos on this dollhouse build. I've been working on this for a full 9 months. The last time I worked on one project for 9 months was when I had kids. Obviously this is going to get finished, but I think it's time to mix the channel up a bit and put in some other videos. We've made a lot of progress on this dollhouse. I love how it's going. I just need to take a short break. So we are going to start doing some other videos with the dollhouse build videos mixed in with them. And I may step back from this at least for the month of November. I may wait until January to step back in and start making stuff specifically for the build. I want to do some polymer clay work. I want to do other projects. And I've been mixing in, you'll notice the last month or two, there's been more things mixed in amongst the build videos. There's been the furniture flips and various things. And I've got some fun stuff coming up on the channel planned out. But I just want to let you know, and I'd like you to hop over to the blog. Over there, I'm going to talk about, you know, why we get indecisive. When we get burnt out on not really burnt out even, just we get to a point in the project where we need to step back and look at what we're doing and look at it again with fresh eyes. I'm going to talk a little bit about that on the blog post. I may sneak peek a few pictures of some upcoming ideas. I'm not sure if I'll have those ready or not by the time the blog post is scheduled. But I just want to let you know where we're at. Expect to have a lot more dollhouse projects, a lot more projects in this dollhouse, but just not immediately. Immediately, we're going to do some other stuff. And I'm actually, when I get done taking pictures for today's post, I'm going to turn the entire dollhouse around so I'm looking at the front side of it instead of the back side of it for a while. Maybe we'll even do some stuff for the front porch. We'll see. But that's where I'm at. I just want to let you know that. If you like the video, hit the like button. I'd love to hear your comments. What are projects in your dollhouse or in your crafting that you've just run up on a brick wall and said, I don't know what I'm doing next. I don't know how to solve this issue. What are those things that have happened for you, and how did you solve them, or are you still stuck? If you like my content and you want to see those projects I have planned to come up in the next couple of months and probably the next many years, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when I do put up new content, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.